Um, you've been taught behavior management. A child displays a behavior. You give them the consequence that they don't care about. They then do the behavior that they get the attention for, which is what they really want. You give them the consequence that they still don't care about. And then 15, 20 minutes later, when they want attention again, they do the same behavior. So they're managing your behavior. Behavior management. And in your mind, it's not supposed to be like that. There's teachers, believe it or not, that I've met that say things like, well, I tell my kids not to do something, and they do it. I go, what do you do next? And they go, what do you mean? No, I'm like, well, tell me what else. It's like, no, I tell my kids not to do something, and they do it, and they literally have genuine surprise in their face. I'm like, but that's not real. Like, ready? You're not allowed to touch her. Exactly. So in the fake outside world, which is the Matrix, which is not reality, we believe that she shouldn't have done that. Now I play, and then you would get upset when a child does that, thinking it has anything to do with the child. I understand in reality, all I did in reality is I told you how to get my attention, and I told the entire classroom to get my attention. That's what you do.